Hello, and welcome to another edition of Office Systems Tech Tips.
This is how you scan something to an email address. First thing you would do is load your original in the document feeder, and from the home screen choose Scanner. Choose your name if it appears. If it does not appear, you can hit the manual entry button, type in any email address. For this demonstration, we're going to send it to Bill. You attach the sender name here, which is also Bill, and hit the start button. You can watch the memory here go to 99%, and it bumps back up to 100. That means it's left the copier.
Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see more tech tips, please visit our YouTube channel or visit us at officesystemstx.com.